kids. So, you learned the alphabet song, but that's not all you need. I have something even better that will help you learn to read. Did you know letters represent sounds? Did you know letters represent sounds? Did you know letters represent sounds? And that's how we can read. Let's start with A. What does it say? It says A and I and like in banana. And then there's B. Lips together like me. B. Now you can say bumbling baby bison in Alabama. We now know letters represent sounds. We now know letters represent sounds. We now know letters represent sounds, and that's how we can read. C says k, k, k before A, O, and U. But when the 10-cent symbol decides to clang, ksh, you see another clue. That C says S before some letters. Which ones could they be? Look close and you will figure it out. They're Y, I, and E. We now know letters represent sounds. We now know letters represent sounds. We now know letters represent sounds so that we can read. When we match these sounds to letters, it's magic, you see. 'Cause when I blend these sounds together, then I can read. Let's try it. Let's grab a C and A and B. Let's make a word. What could it be? The sounds are k, a, b. Blend it with me. K, a, b. Cab. Hey!